What's the meaning of clitoral? Clitoral. Clitoral.
Clitoral. Clitoral. The term clitoral refers to anything related to the clitoris, which is a small sensory organ located at the front of the female genitalia. Stimulation of the clitoris can result in sexual arousal and orgasm for many women. This can be achieved through various methods such as manual stimulation, oral sex, or using sex toys specifically designed for clitoral stimulation. Additionally, some women may find that clitoral stimulation is necessary to achieve orgasm during sexual activity. Overall, the clitoris plays an important role in female sexual pleasure.